Welcome to MPS Motivators, a unique online teaching and learning platform. I am Janendra Kumar standing in front of you. Before starting this session, I would like to wish you all a very gracious good morning. So good morning friends. In this session, I am going to discuss with you Rule 5 of interchange of affirmative and negative sentences. Friends, the fifth rule of interchange of affirmative and negative sentences is that some sentences are transformed from affirmative to negative and from negative to affirmative by changing their degrees. अर्थात कुछ वाक्यों को अफर्मेटिव से निगेटिव में और निगेटिव से अफर्मेटिव में ट्रांसफॉर्म किया जाता है उनके डिग्रीज को बदलकर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम एज रिच एज यू. मैं उतना ही अमीर हूं जितना आप, या मैं आपके इतना अमीर हूं. एज रिच एज इज इन पॉजिटिव डिग्री बिकॉज हियर द वर्ड रिच is an adjective which is used to qualify a person or thing in the sense of wealth. If a person has a lot of wealth, we say that that person is rich. यदि किसी व्यक्ति के पास बहुत धन होता है तो हम लोग कहते हैं कि वह व्यक्ति धनी है. ओके फ्रेंड्स, एंड हियर आई एम रिच एंड यू आर रिच. You and I both have the riches in the same amount, in the equal amount. So we have used here a positive degree to denote the equality of riches with you and I both. मतलब आपके और मेरे साथ, दोनों के साथ समान मात्रा में धन है. तो हम लोग यहाँ पर एज रिच एज का प्रयोग किए हैं जो कि पॉजिटिव डिग्री है. यहाँ दो के बीच समानता दिखाया जा रहा है. आई और यू के बीच धन की समानता दिखाई जा रही है. तो हम लोग पॉजिटिव डिग्री को चेंज करेंगे कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में और तब सेंटेंस को हम लोग निगेटिव बनाएंगे. वी विल चेंज द पॉजिटिव डिग्री इनटू कंपैरेटिव डिग्री एंड देन द सेंटेंस विल बी चेंज्ड इनटू negative form, but it will not be changed as per its meaning. It will be changed only as per its type, and so we will say that we shall change its type only, not the meaning, and such type of change is called transformation. Here we shall transform the sentence from affirmative to negative by changing its degree from positive to comparative. And when we transform such a sentence, we start with the last noun or pronoun which is after the positive degree, and its transformation in negative form will be you are not richer than I. यानी आप मुझसे ज़्यादा धनी नहीं हैं. And if the sentence is in the negative form, and we have to transform it into affirmative form. Here the sentence in the negative form is I am not as oblique so rich as you. मतलब मैं आपके इतना अमीर नहीं हूं. When do we say this type of sentence to others? हम लोग कब इस तरह के सेंटेंस को अन्य लोगों से कहते हैं? जब अन्य लोग हमसे ज़्यादा धनी होते हैं. When others are richer than I or richer than we say that I am not as rich as you. मतलब मैं उतना धनी नहीं हूं जितना आप. यहाँ ध्यान देंगे कि जब निगेटिव सेंटेंस होगा तो उसमें एज या सो आ सकता है, एंड जब अफर्मेटिव होगा तो इसमें एज ही आएगा शुरू में. ओके, एंड बाद में भी एज आएगा, बीच में आएगा एडजेक्टिव. एंड हियर यू कैन सी दैट as either as or so can come before the adjective, and after the adjective again as will come. Okay, and not will come before this combination. Okay friends, here I am not as rich as you is a negative sentence and we have to transform it into affirmative form. you are richer than I. Here friends, you must notice one thing, that if the sentence in affirmative form, here the verb does not contain any negative word, and when we change it into negative form, when we transform it into negative form, there is a negative word not with the verb. And here when there is a negative word not with the verb in the negative form, in the affirmative form there is no negative word. Okay, it's quite simple and quite easy to transform such sentences from affirmative to negative and negative to affirmative. So friends, now you can take its screenshot. Friends, now I will discuss with you some more sentences and of different types regarding changing the degrees of comparison and transforming the sentences from affirmative to negative and negative to affirmative. But you first take its screenshot or write down in your notebook. Just now in the same session you have seen how to transform affirmative sentences into negative sentences and negative sentences into affirmative sentences by changing positive degree into comparative degree. Now we will see some more sentences. Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. यानी मोहन वर्ग में सबसे लंबा लड़का है, अर्थात कि वर्ग में ऐसा दूसरा कोई लड़का नहीं है जो मोहन से ज़्यादा लंबा हो. Let us see how to transform this affirmative sentence into negative. Friends, the transformation of the sentence Mohan is the tallest boy in the class. मोहन वर्ग में सबसे लंबा लड़का है. Its transformation in negative form will be no other boy in the class is so tall as Mohan या as tall as Mohan. We can use either so or as in the beginning when we transform a positive sentence into negative one in the beginning. Okay, here before the adjective. After the adjective we will use as. In the next sentence, and we can say that in the alternative method we have used a comparative degree, an adjective of comparative degree, to transform this sentence into negative form, and the sentence is no other boy in the class is taller than Mohan. यानी वर्ग में कोई भी दूसरा लड़का मोहन से ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं है. Such sentences can be transformed from affirmative to negative or negative to affirmative into two different ways at least. कम से कम दो विभिन्न तरीके से हम लोग बना सकते हैं इसको. अगर सुपरलेटिव में दिया हुआ है तो एक तो पॉजिटिव में बना सकते हैं, दूसरा हम लोग कंपैरेटिव में बना सकते हैं. नो अदर बॉय दिया हुआ है. वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट एनी अदर बॉय इन द क्लास इज नॉट सो टॉल एज मोहन. द सेम सेंटेंस कैन बी रिटन इन दिस वे. नो अदर बॉय से जब हम वाक्य को शुरू करते हैं तो निगेटिव वर्ड नो हो जाता है, एंड व्हेन वी स्टार्ट द सेंटेंस विथ एनी अदर बॉय द निगेटिव वर्ड इज नॉट. So friends, you would have understood that we can transform such sentences into three ways. The sentences in which the adjective of the superlative degree is used can be transformed into three ways, at least in two ways. So friends, with this rule and a few examples based on it, I am ending this session. And if you like this session, I would like to request you to like it, comment it and share it with your friends, and also download MPS Motivators by going to Play Store. Thank you. Have a nice day.